Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today in this video tutorial we will discuss KMU-CAT 2025 test preparation. If you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बता सकते हैं. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. A coagulated protein is dash. Option A insoluble, B biologically non-functional, C unfolded, and option D all of the above. So the correct option is D. Explanation is coagulated proteins are insoluble, unfolded, and non-functional. For example, boiled egg white. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. In the total proteins, the percentage of albumin is about option A 20 to 40, B 30 to 45, C 50 to 70, and option D 80 to 90. So the correct option is C 50 to 70. Albumin makes up 50 to 70% of total plasma proteins and is crucial for maintaining osmotic pressure. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. So this is very important MCQs. At isoelectric pH, an amino acid exists is option A anion, B cation, C zwitterine, and option D none of these. So the correct option is C zwitterine. At the isoelectric point, amino acid exists is zwitterine. Net charge is 0. Which of the following is the primary structure involved in the filtration of blood in the kidney? Option A renal tubule, B glomerulus, C loop of Henle, and option D ureter. So the correct option is B glomerulus. Explanation is the glomerulus is a network of capillaries located in the nephron. It is responsible for filtering blood to form the initial filtrate in a form of urine, which will later be processed in the renal tubules. So this is very important MCQs. An amino acid having a hydrophilic side chain is option A alanine, B proline, C serine, and option D methionine. So the correct option is C serine. Serine has a polar hydroxyl group, making it hydrophilic. The basic amino acids are option A lysine, B bile acid, C glycine, and option D alanine. So the correct option is A lysine. Lysine is a basic amino acid positively charged at physiological pH. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. An amino acid that does not take part in alpha helix formation is option A histidine, B tyrosine, C proline, and option D tryptophan. So the correct option is C proline. Proline disrupts alpha helices due to its rigid cyclic structure. A protein rich in cysteine is option A collagen, B keratin, C hemoglobin, and option D gelatin. So the correct option is B keratin. Keratin actually in hair or nails is rich in cysteine disulfide bonds for strength. So this is very important MCQs. The primary structure of proteins can be determined by using option A electrophoresis, B chromatography, C ninhydrin, and option D Singer reagent. So the correct option is D Singer reagent. Singer reagent FDNB label N-terminal amino acids for sequencing. Dear students, you are attending the past paper KMU-CAT test MCQs. So best wishes and best luck. The most abundant protein in mammals is option A albumin, B hemoglobin, C collagen, and option D elastin. So the correct option is C collagen. Collagen is the most abundant structural protein in connective tissues. The primary structure of a protein is formed by option A hydrogen bonds, B peptide bonds, C disulfide bonds, and option D all of these. So the correct option is B peptide bonds. Peptide bonds covalently link amino acids in the primary sequence. An alpha helix is formed by option A hydrogen bonds, B hydrophobic bonds, C electrostatic bonds, and option D disulfide bonds. So the correct option is A hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds between big bond carbon and oxygen, and nitrogen plus bond with hydrogen groups stabilize alpha helices. So this is very important MCQs. Two amino groups are present in option A leucine, B glutamate, C lysine, and option D threonine. So the correct option is C lysine. During denaturation of proteins, all of the following are disrupted except option A primary structure, B secondary structure, C tertiary structure, and option D quaternary structure. So the correct option is A primary structure. An organ that is extremely sensitive to ammonia toxicity is option A liver, B brain, C kidneys, and option D heart. So the correct option is B brain. The brain is susceptible to ammonia, which can cross the blood-brain barrier and cause neurological symptoms like confusion and coma and hepatic encephalopathy. So the major site of urea synthesis is option A brain, B kidneys, C liver, and option D muscles. So the correct option is C liver. The urea cycle occurs primarily in the liver, which convert toxic ammonia into the urea for excretion by the kidneys. If you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें। द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ polypeptide chain in immunoglobulin is option A 2, B 4, C 5, and option D 6. So the correct option is B 4. All immunoglobulin contain at least 4 polypeptide chains, 2 identical heavy chain and 2 identical light chains. Thank you for watching my videos.